Have you ever heard about casein? Or, what is the role of casein in milk? Welcome to ADP for Learning. I am Ashish. Casein is the main protein found in milk and dairy products, accounting for approximately 80% of the protein content in cow's milk. It is a complete protein, meaning that it contains all the essential amino acids required by the human body. In milk, casein exists in the form of a suspension of small globules called micelles, which are stabilized by calcium and phosphate ions. These micelles play a crucial role in the structure of milk, as they provide a white, opaque appearance and contribute to the thick and creamy texture. In addition to its structural role, casein also serves as a source of amino acids for the growth and repair of tissues in the body. It is slowly digested and absorbed by the body, making it a good protein source for maintaining muscle mass. Casein has also been found to have other potential health benefits, such as promoting bone health and reducing blood pressure. However, more research is needed to fully understand these effects. There are multiple roles of casein in milk. Number 1. Slow digestion. Casein is a slow-digesting protein, which means that it takes longer to be broken down and absorbed by the body than other types of proteins, such as whey. This slow digestion rate makes it an ideal protein source for providing a sustained release of amino acids to the body, which can help promote muscle growth and repair. Number 2. Nutrient-rich. Casein is a rich source of several essential nutrients, including calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D. These nutrients are important for maintaining strong bones and teeth, as well as supporting overall health. Number 3. Antimicrobial properties. Casein has been shown to have antimicrobial properties, which means that it can help protect against harmful bacteria and other microorganisms. This property is particularly important in milk, as it helps prevent spoilage and extends the shelf life of the product. Number 4. Emulsification. Casein can also act as an emulsifier, helping to stabilize and homogenize the fat particles in milk. This property is what gives milk its smooth and creamy texture. Number 5. Curdling. When milk is exposed to acid or enzymes, such as rennet, the casein proteins can undergo a process called curdling, which results in the formation of solid curds and liquid whey. This process is used to make a variety of dairy products, including cheese, yogurt, and sour cream. So, casein is an essential component of milk and dairy products, providing important nutrients and functional properties that contribute to their unique taste, texture, and health benefits. Thank you for joining the amazing journey of learning. In the future, we will meet with new innovative topics.